Are you tired of random ads popping up on your Android phone every few seconds? You open an app, and boom, an ad. You start a game, and after every level, another ad. Well, it's not just annoying. These ads actually drain your battery, waste your data, and even compromise your privacy. So in today's video, I'll show you how to completely stop ads on Android, step by step, using safe and effective methods. Hey everyone, you're watching Mendit Tech, where we talk about tech tips, mobile tricks, and real fixes to keep your phone smart and clean. If you're tired of those useless pop-ups, stay tuned till the end, because I've got some hidden tricks that most people don't know about. Step 1. Turn off personalized ads. Google Settings. Let's start with the basics. Go to Settings, Google, Ads. Now turn on the option that says Opt out of ads personalization. This tells Google not to use your data to show targeted ads. Also, tap Reset Advertising ID below it to clear your old ad profile. This simple step alone reduces many app and system-level ads. Step 2. Use a private DNS, ad-blocking DNS. This is the most powerful and safe method. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname and type dns.adguard.com. Then hit Save. Now, your Android phone will automatically block most in-app and browser ads without installing any extra app. Pro tip: AdGuard DNS is reliable, fast, and doesn't slow down games or browsing. Step 3. Block ads in Chrome browser. If you use Chrome, a lot of ads come from websites. Here's how to fix that. Open Chrome, Settings, Site Settings, Ads, Block. Then go to Pop-ups and Redirects, Block. Also check Notifications. Don't allow sites to send notifications. This stops those random website pop-ups and push ads completely. Step 4. Remove ad-heavy apps. Some apps secretly push ads even when you're not using them. To find them, open Play Store, manage apps and devices, installed apps. Look for unknown or recently installed suspicious apps. If you don't recognize them, uninstall immediately. Step 5. Review permissions and clear cache. Lastly, go to Settings, Apps. See all apps. Open apps one by one and check permissions. If any app has permission like draw over other apps or display pop-ups, turn it off. Also, clear the cache of ad-heavy apps like browsers and games. This helps remove stored ad data and cookies. And that's how you stop ads on Android, completely, safely, and permanently. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, share it with your friends who are also tired of annoying ads, and subscribe to Mendit Tech for more real and useful tech fixes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.